Hi guys, welcome to SearchPie app. In this video, we will go over the internal links feature. Let's go to URL control, choose the internal feature. An internal link is any link from one page on your website to another page on your website. Your users and search engines use links to find content on your website. Your users use links to navigate through your site and to find the content they want to find. To check your current internal links performance, please click Scan button. It takes a while to show you the data below, including the amount of internal links and top anchor texts. Besides, the app also shows if your store has two issues, orphan page, and pages contain links without anchor text. Please have a check in details here. To fix the issues, let's click Edit here, and it leads you to the Setup tab. You just need to enter one keyword as an anchor text, then click Save. Please do the same with other links, then you can solve all the issues of orphan pages. That's all for now, seeing you soon in the next tutorial. If you have any other questions, please feel free to let us know. Thank you.